like and subscribe for DarkTube for healthy and tasty cooking videos. Today we are making flat noodles. Yes, homemade flat noodles, also called lamine noodles. So here what we are going to do is just with the wheat dough. घर में जो आटा होता है गेहूं का जो हम डेली यूज करते हैं उससे बनाएंगे. ये एक एग है. So this one egg which I am mixing with 1 cup of wheat flour. Yes, I'm taking measuring it with a bowl. So just take 1 cup of wheat flour and keep mixing with 1 spoon. This, as you can see, is just small spoon and just keep mixing it. And yes, this is a long procedure, but it is actually worth it, because when we talk about noodle it comes like we are going to supermarket buying something wrong. See, have not added any water in it, just another egg. Till now I have added 2 egg in this and mixing it with a spoon. Once it will get mixed approx, then we will use our hands. Yes, so instead of buying a noodle from a supermarket, and those are not fresh, and how it is made and all we don't know, so that's the reason this way I liked a lot. So here I'll show you how we are making it. So as you can see, just with one hand we are keep on mixing the dough. And yes, we don't need to add any water in it. Once it will get, everything will come together, we'll bring it to a bigger platform, and then same thing, press it, fold it, press it, fold it, and repeat it, the same step. Okay, so we have to do this thing for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, so if you want to like press it more or less, it's completely up to your step. Now that is the reason I'm not doing it. I asked him to do this thing, so because it's a full exercise. Okay, so finally your dough will come something like this, and you will get this thing. It should frame like this. If you press this one and this one, it should be a same feeling. So this way I wanted to tell you what should be the final like touch of your dough. So if you want, you can leave it, but now what I am doing is I have just separated it in 2 parts, and again doing the same steps for both, like one or for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, not more than that. So pressing it, folding it, pressing it, folding it, and repeating the same step. So after doing these all things, when our dough will be ready, we need to leave it for approx 20 to 30 minutes, and after 20 to 30 minutes you can see dough will be something like that. And again we will start. You can use the platform or the wooden one, is completely fine. We just need to flatten this. So since it's a flat noodles, I'll make it a bit like size will be a bit thicker. But if you want same like a market one, a very normal one which we always use, if you want to use that, you can go with it. There is completely no issue. See how I'm doing here, you need to do the same way. I'll show you the thickness also. You need to maintain the same thickness everywhere, like all over the sheet. Okay, so see the thickness. Yes, this should be the thickness. It should not be so thick and thin both ways. And as I already said, if you want, you can directly use the platform, but I don't like to do that. So I'm doing it with this wooden frame. And yes, we need to cover this both the sides. We need to cover sheets from both the sides with full of flour. You can use here the whole purpose flour or the wheat flour. I'm using the wheat flour only because we are making this complete noodle with only wheat flour and 2 eggs. That's it. I have not added anything else in that. as you have already seen. So once it will get covered from both the side nicely, if you were first time you are making it, cover more, far more than me. Okay, so just fold it how I am folding here, and we need to cut it with our, like our completely our choice how we want. So what the waste product is, like the smaller ones, I am keeping it out, and after that I'll start cutting. So as you can see, I'm making it a bit thick. I already said if you want you can make it a thinner, or if you want to make it more thicker, so you can do that as well. There is completely no issues. So in this noodle recipe we have used egg. We can do the same thing without egg as well. I'll show you how in the my another recipe where I'll make some noodle with some veg, like complete veg, no egg. So once it will be done, we'll coat everything with dry flour, which will help us to make it straight. So see, this is how we need to do. So this way you need to do for everyone. If you will use more flour, it will be easier. I have used initially a bit less. So as you can see, our noodles are ready. So once the water is a bit hot, I added my noodles there, and we need to boil it for, like, it depends, 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. Something will be between 5 to 10 minutes. And once your noodle will be like cooked nicely, you will get a different flavor in your mouth. So please do taste your noodle before serving. Okay, so this was the recipe of making noodle at home, and I'll show you a basic, very basic noodle recipe, which is again my invention only. So see, and even you can use the pasta and all also in the same way. Okay, so I have taken a pan. Here in a heated pan I have added a spoon of butter, but we don't need to burn our butter here. We, like, flame should be very low, and when the butter will start melting a bit, we'll add here half spoon, actually half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It's the fresh paste, I have made it. If you want, you can add the chopped one also. There is completely no issue in that. And I already made a Szechuan sauce at home. I will add that in this. Once this, we need to cook this adrak lehsun paste for approx 1 minute or half minute sometimes, since it's in very low flame, so we don't need to be so worried about that. Okay, so once it will get cooked, we will add 1 spoon of Szechuan sauce. This is also made by me only. If you want to see the recipe, I will add soon, and just comment me below if you want the recipe of that. So that helps me to make my noodles and these things very fast. Just I have taken a butter, some ginger garlic, and that sauce, and that's it, we are done. We'll just need to mix it with some salt. But yeah, one more thing, while adding also I have added, sorry, while boiling also I have added salt in that, and here salt and pepper at the end, and I'm garnishing with spring onion, and my recipe is ready. Thank you.